let yourself go crazy. Look out, there's a beast in your soul. You're out of control. It's an animal inside you. A little bit of dancing, a little romance, and now your time has come to party. It's a jiggle wiggle party. It's a jiggle wiggle wiggle. It's a jiggle wiggle Friday party, party now.
Hey, hey, hey. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is Sunday night. Look at that. It is Sunday. It is Sunday, and we're about to start the Asia session. An Asia session that opens tonight with a loaded backdrop. We've got some news from China. Not coming in until late, coming in around 9:30. And a little bit more at 10 p.m. We're going to stay around late tonight because we're going to stick around for that news that's going to move the market. Assuming I'm still sharp by that time, that's a good 3.5, 4 hours away. Okay, let's start getting things set up here. Let's do some lights, camera, and action. Good evening. Oh, my chair isn't the right height here. There we go. Okay. All right. Well, I hope you guys are ready for an eventful Asia session tonight. Let's. I've got some music going on in the background here. I got to bring that down. I think I want to move this to some toned down music, some getting in the zone music, even though we're still feeling a little jazzy. All right, I need to drink a little water here. Got a little frog in my throat. Okay. I don't know if that helped. Well, anyway, over the course of the evening, we'll get that to work. Let's get the Zoom room going. We're still in beta, as you've probably noticed. We're not marketing a lot that we're here doing this. So if you're joining us tonight, you're one of the few in the know. Okay. And we will get music shared with Zoom. There we go. Okay. Let's get logged into the broker. Then let's see where things stand. VIX 14.76 has been coming up a little. Excuse me, I don't know what's going on here. VIX. Well, let's change the camera angle here, so at least I'm looking at your face, right? Or you're looking at mine. Guess that's the better understanding of things. Boom. Okay, here we go. There. All right. The VIX we have at 14.76. That is still within kind of the normal range here. We're not, it's the volatility index. We're not expecting too much volatility out of the market right here out of the gate. Let's see what we have here. The dollar has been dropping a bit. Until close of market on Friday, at least here in the last 30 minutes or so. Is that maybe 20 minutes? It was up and down in the New York session on Friday, and then just kind of declined from there and kind of eased its way back up here at the that's this area right here. So on top we're looking at the DXY, the dollar index, which is the dollar measured against a basket of foreign currencies. On the bottom, on the right side of the chart, we have the 1-minute chart, and on the top we have the 30-minute chart, the same instrument, the DXY. So we see that the dollar has been pretty flat if you look at it on the basis of where it started the day on Friday and where it ended the day on Friday. see, that was Asia. So, you know, from here to here, pretty much the same place. Yields, 10-year government bonds. Also over here on the left side, we've got the 30-minute chart on top and the 1-minute chart on the bottom. So that is showing us now. I hope that the mix is right here between the music and my voice. Let me know in the chat if you're here watching and things don't sound right. That's where we are with the 10-year U.S. government bond. And here we are with the 5-minute chart on spot gold. Put a box around it. This is Friday's end of day consolidation. That's our little range right there. Got the previous day value area low running right through the middle of that range. Got the previous day point of control here above it. Right above this we have the DM3, and right below price we have the daily pivot point. Right? Let me just double check and make sure that that is correct. Yeah, daily pivot point below price, DM3 above price. And then above the point of control, we have the previous day value area high. So not a huge range on Friday. 70% of volume was traded between the value area high and the value area low, with the point of control not directly in the middle, but you know, right here at this level at 36.49. So that's our 5-minute chart. We're going to start the session right off, and I don't know if we'll have a spike up or a spike down, or if it's going to open pretty much where it was. Hasn't been you know, a ton of, I guess, earth-shattering news over the weekend that's going to move things one way or the other. Let me just confirm that and take a look here at the home page of the Financial Times. Yeah, you know, the country here in the U.S. is dealing with the fallout still of the unfortunate assassination of Charlie Kirk. Political violence has no place in this country, or any country really, but unfortunately it happens, and we have to figure out how to move forward from that and not pull ourselves apart. So that's what the country's focused on right now. I suppose that's why the volatility index went up, even though we're still in the normal range. Let's go look at the 1-minute chart here. Also, that's the same box around the end of day consolidation on Friday. Price is at 36.43, as we said. We're in a down channel right now. We can see here on our linear regression channel. Same on the 5-minute chart. It's a wider channel on the 5-minute chart, but we have a confluence on both of those. If we look at it on a 15-minute chart, however, we are in an uptrend, so we are not confluent on the uptrend that we see here on the 15-minute chart. So, and that is the same with the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart is also showing us an uptrend, although not quite as pronounced. Come on, linear regression channel, populate. Here it comes. There we are. So barely an uptrend there. So as we come out of the gate, you know, price could still go either direction. We aren't completely at the bottom of the 15-minute channel yet. We are in the middle of the 1-hour channel, so it could go up or down. If it decides to follow the 5-minute and the 1-minute confluence, which in low volume, that's kind of probably what it's going to do. Then we're probably going to head down before we head up. And who knows what the day will bring. You know, I think things are going to be pretty subdued. We do have news, like I said. 9:30 p.m. we have Chinese new home prices, and then at 10 p.m. that's where the real news is. We have industrial production year over year, retail sales year over year, fixed asset investment year to date, and the unemployment rate in China. So all of those things will probably come, you know, they're all going to hit at the same time at 10 p.m. So unless we just do really well between now and 10 p.m. or really poorly, one way or the other, we might be sticking around that late to just watch the news and how it impacts price. All right, so that's the 1 minute, and here we have the futures chart where price is 3,686. Looks like we have a weaker gold than dollar right here at the open, and gold is, or retail traders are about 60% long. So we're going to, oh, look at this. Our indicators have changed. We don't want that. We want to get rid of this indicator down here. I'm glad I saw that. And we want let's see. No, it's called volume. Delta volume. I don't want that. I want the. I don't think this is the one I want. No, exactly, it's not, because it does not support that time frame. How much time do I have here? I've got 4 minutes before I need to start looking at this. So, do I want to mess with this now? Well, that's what I was looking for. And then I want to put
It's good, man.
Hey, how you doing, Tono?
Good. How you doing, bro?
Okay, trying to get my charts set up.
Okay.
Let's see here.
See where we were on Friday.
Yeah, so we are above the daily pivot and below the DM3, and we have the previous day value area low right at 36.43, 44, 36.44, more or less right there. We've got a swing low below us and a bull volume below us as well. think we might open up going to the downside, but I guess we'll see.
I'm not expecting much today.
Well, at 10 p.m., we have a lot of Chinese data hitting. I don't know if we're going to be around at 10 p.m., but there's a lot of news that hits at 10 p.m.
Okay.
So I would expect that to move the market a bit because it's quite a bit of news.
I spoke with Alden.
Oh yeah.
He said he's going to start coming back on. He might come in tonight.
Oh nice.
Yeah. Let's see where we are. We're at 36.44. Market just open.
Yep. So we're hitting up against the value area low. Let's see if it can push through. Looks like it wants to push through.
Looks like it wants to go up.
have a good weekend?
Yeah, I just relaxed, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, how about you?
Yeah, pretty much the same. I didn't do much.
That thing is crazy. That scammer, right?
Yeah, yeah.
They
I think that
they went on my Facebook page. They went on took a bunch of stuff from Facebook, took a bunch of pictures. I'm like, man, these people, they put that energy into something else.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know? Yeah. Well, maybe we better off coming back later for the 10
Yeah,
o'clock.
yeah, yeah,
Because
yeah.
the open did absolutely nothing,
Right. Yeah. Exactly.
you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Maybe we'll check back with each other around 8:30 or something, and then see what's going on later if we're still around. I don't
yeah,
think this is gonna do anything. This is gonna be boring as hell for the next couple
yeah.
hours.
It's it's still stuck on 44. So what
Yeah.
the heck, you know?
Yeah.
It's on that daily pivot point. It's holding it like a magnet. Even it held it on Friday about
Yeah.
an hour.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're kind of stuck. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you get this news information from? This is the second time you've kind of impressed me with the news, man.
What news is that? Oh, the China? It's on,
Yeah.
it's on Forex Factory.
Okay.
10 p.m. And I just think that because of the time of year and because China's releasing all this data at once, it might move the market. I could be wrong because they're not red folders, but I just have a feeling that
they're orange, but it's possible.
yeah, I just have a feeling that it will move gold tonight.
Have you had a chance to look at any of those prop firms?
Oh shit! You know what? I didn't do anything this weekend. God, I'm sorry. I'll do that. I'll do
No,
it
no, it's
tonight.
all good.
Actually, I'll we take a pause now. We take a pause.
Is XL Trade and what was the other one?
Excel trade, and yeah, I have it written down.
I'll tell you the other one. Hold on. XL Trade and the other one was. There's actually three. One is XL Trade. The other one is Take Profit Trader,
Right, take profit trader.
and the other one is Bluto. Bluto something. Hold on. Pluto. Plutus.
Take profit
Plutus
trader.
Trade Base.
Plutus, PLU. How do you spell it?
Plutus. Like the
Plutus.
Greek name.
Okay. What's it called?
Plutus Trade Base.
Plutus trade base. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll check those out.
I'm thinking that Plutus might be the better of the three. I don't know. I'll let you dig in and come back.
Okay.
Because one of them doesn't allow you to trade news a minute before, during, or after.
Right.
And I think Plutus does. I'm trying to get some feedback on if anybody used them or not, and I'm not able to really locate a lot of information on it.
Okay. I'll take a look at them.
Yeah. Cool.
I don't know why, but I am beat. I feel maybe I need to go take a nap before we come back.
Yeah, I'm wiped out too, man. I was just looking at a couple of marketing techniques for the book, and it just wore me out, man.
Yeah, yeah.
You know.
I was out in the sun a little bit today, and I think it just took it out of me.
Yeah. Give it a couple more minutes to see if it wants to do anything.
Yeah.
Then I'll log off and come back.
We have FOMC on Wednesday at 2 p.m.
Yeah. Hmm.